All right, today is a very easy instant pot pinto bean recipe. I have a pound of pinto beans, which is about 2 1/3 cups, 1 onion, 3 slices of bacon. It's up to you to use how much you'd like. And for the water that I'm gonna cook the beans in, I usually use 3 times as much water as beans. So 2 1/3 cups is about 7 cups of water, so I use about 6 to 7. And basically what you don't want to do is the beans will absorb water, so you don't want to run dry. And usually in Instant Pot you won't, but it's always good to have more. And the beans have been washed and picked through to make sure there's no rocks or stuff. So beans, water, onions, bacon, Instant Pot, 45-50 minutes, and let it naturally release. Here are the finished beans in the crock pot. They were cooking for high pressure for 45 minutes, and I just let them stay warm for about 20 minutes and release the pressure. And you taste and add salt as needed. Okay, what we're having with the beans, or some people are, pork chops are the main course, mashed potatoes and gravy, fried okra coated with cornmeal, and here's fried okra covered with almond flour. So this is what I'm eating here, the fried okra covered with almond flour.